Welcome all, Papa G here. Today I present my chicken enchilada casserole. If you've been craving the taste of real Mexican chicken enchiladas on your diet, look no further. This incredibly delicious, easy to make recipe will not only satisfy your Mexican food craving, your family and friends will never believe it's low carb. Let's get started. You'll need about 24 ounces of pre-cooked chicken for this recipe. I find using a store-bought rotisserie chicken is the easiest route that offers the most flavor. Mine are on the small side, so I'll be using 2 of them. Just peel back the skin and begin pulling and shredding. You'll want to include both the white and dark meat. After we've shredded the chicken, we'll begin making our sauce. To a sauce pot on medium heat, add some chicken stock, a little heavy cream, a bit of salt, some ground black pepper, and some chili powder. Give a mix to combine. Now add a little xanthan gum and give another mix. Continue stirring occasionally as our sauce begins to simmer and thicken. After about 7 to 10 minutes, our sauce should look something like this. We don't want it too thick, just something easy to pour. Add the shredded chicken to a large mixing bowl. Add 1 can of diced green chilies, some chopped cilantro, diced pickled jalapenos, 8 ounces of sour cream, some salt, cumin, garlic powder, and some onion powder. Give a mix with your hands to fully combine and set aside. Lightly oil a 9 by 13 inch baking dish. Now I'll be using my favorite low-carb spinach tortillas for our casserole. We'll place 5 tortillas on a cutting surface and cut into quarters, making 20 pieces. Align 10 of the tortilla quarters on the bottom of the dish so that the bottom is fully covered. Top the tortillas with a half a cup of our sauce. Add a half a cup or about 2 ounces of Mexican blend cheese. Now add our chicken mixture and spread evenly across the dish. Add another half a cup of sauce to the chicken. Now layer 6 slices of pepper jack cheese over the chicken. Cover with the remaining tortilla quarters. Add the rest of the sauce. Spread the remaining 6 ounces of Mexican blend cheese over the casserole. And finally, top with a few jalapeno slices. Cover with foil and bake in the middle of a preheated 350-degree oven for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, uncover and bake an additional 5 to 7 minutes. Remove and let cool for about 10 minutes. Cut into 8 equal servings. Garnish with some dried chives, and enjoy a taste of Mexico second to none. There you have it, folks, my chicken enchilada casserole, a wonderfully delicious low-carb recipe that'll satisfy any Mexican food craving. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like and consider subscribing. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.